Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi A6 key battery. It's a simple process you can do at home, saving you a trip to the dealership. You'll need a new CR 2032 coin battery and possibly a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. Let's get started and have your key fob working perfectly in just a few minutes. First, press the release button on your key fob to slide out the mechanical key. Set that aside for a moment. Now, look for a small notch or a seam on the key fob's casing. Depending on your specific Audi A6 model, you might need to use a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to gently pry open the back cover or to slide out a battery tray. Be careful not to damage the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Gently remove it. Sometimes it just lifts out, or you might need to lightly pry it with your screwdriver. Pay close attention to how the old battery was oriented, noting which side, usually the positive side with the plus sign, was facing up or down. Insert your new CR 2032 battery in the exact same way to ensure proper function. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and gently press them together until they snap securely into place. Don't forget to slide the mechanical key blade back into its slot. Finally, test your key fob to ensure all buttons are working correctly. You should see a small light illuminate when you press a button. If you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.